This case has nothing to do with Mr. Hill. This case has everything to do with how the county and its attorneys responded to what happened with Mr. Hill. And they sit here and they tell you in the beginning of this trial, we've done the right thing. We've taken responsibility. Remember that? We're going to get to that. We've taken responsibility. Have they? Is this the way that society, is this in our world, how we're supposed to take responsibility for what happened here? In fact, I feel bad for Mr. Hill. Mr. Hill here, he's a victim too. You made a mistake, it's okay. We forgive you. It's okay. You are welcome to sit here on our side of the table anytime you want. I know you're a good person. And I'm sorry you had to sit here and listen to how bad it was, and we're going to talk about that in a second. I feel bad for him too. They made him sit here and listen to how bad the thing that he did caused this man. It was a mistake. We forgive him. Don't worry about it. We can move on. What we don't forgive, folks, is the way that the county chose to handle what happened. That adding the insult to this horrible injury, that was bad. That's why we're here. So why is Mr. Hill here? There's no reason for him to be. They're using him, and I'm sorry, as a prop to try to take the attention away from what they're doing here with the attorneys and their witnesses and try to put it on him to make it like it's about him. It has nothing to do with him.
Objection, Your Honor. Improper argument.
Overruled. Thank you, Your Honor. They created a defense. This is Exhibit 60. 60. This video, in order for you to believe that Mr. Cobb is at fault in any way, you would have to believe so many different things. I went through them. Remember, I wrote them up on the board here. If you remember the accident with constructionist, the guy with the hat. We'd have to disregard the traffic collision report. We'd have to disregard the medical records. We'd have to disregard Mr. Cobb's deposition testimony. We'd have to disregard Mr. Hill's inconsistencies. And hey, look, you know, if I was in his position, I may have said the same thing. I want to be honest. I'm human, man, you know, and I don't know what I would have said. I don't know. I can't say, I'm not sure. I've never been in that situation, but I can sympathize with him. And it went on and on. Mr. Cobb doesn't know where he was going. He was on the phone. And all the other arguments. And when we went there, Mr. Hill was not in a hurry and all that stuff. And I feel bad for Mr. Hill because he had to say two things in this case after it happened. One, he had to say that he saw Mr. Cobb. And two, he had to come up with the reason why, if he saw him, he hit him anyway. So he said he was ahead of him on the crosswalk. He was being honest. At least he did see him on the crosswalk. And then he said, well, he made a left right in front of me. So you can't both see the guy and hit him. That's why we know that he never really even saw him.